In this tutorial, we're going to remember some key points concerning sampling. Organisms interact with each other and with their environment to form communities and ecosystems. The study of this interaction is called ecology. Organisms include all living things from gigantic redwood trees to single-celled algae, whereas the environment include both abiotic or non-living factors such as light intensity and temperature, or biotic or living factors such as relation and competition. What we're going to do in this practice is to investigate the effect of one of these factors on species distribution. To do so, a variety of techniques can be used. However, it is often impossible to measure or count all of the organisms present in an area. That's why sampling techniques are used. Sampling is defined as taking of measurements of a limited number of individual organisms present in a particular area. Moreover, sampling can be done in several ways. The choice of sampling technique depends on both the factor in organism you're going to choose and the hypothesis you have stated. But the two main techniques are random sampling and systematic sampling. Random sampling means selecting individuals by chance, where each individual in the population has an equal likelihood of selection. So this technique is designed to remove sampling bias. Sampling bias means when a person carrying out an investigation deliberately or unconsciously makes a biased choice, like choosing to sample an area having more flowers because it looks appealing. On the other hand, systematic sampling is a non-random sampling method where the sample is not chosen at random, meaning the sample is not chosen randomly. In this technique, samples are taken at regular intervals, for example, every 1 meter. Moreover, systematic sampling is useful if you are investigating a correlation between a factor and an organism, or if you are looking at the stages of succession, which is the process whereby the structure of a biological community evolves over time. For example, when a tree falls in a mature forest, sunlight may again be able to reach the forest floor, allowing the initiation of new growth. In this case, the succession begins with a new, smaller plant. So in the next video, we're going to learn how to use both techniques in the work field.